Hey everyone, today we're going to install this juicer. These are all the accessories of the juicer. Now let's start the installation step by step. First of all, we install the red silicone plug to the pulp outlet at the bottom of the juicing bowl. Align the 3 concave points with the 3 raised points. Press downward to lock the juicing bowl and the base. Insert the strainer into the juicing bowl. Ensure the strainer's pulp outlet aligns with the juicing bowl's red plug. Next, insert the auger into the center of the strainer. Press it downward to connect the 2 parts securely. Install the hopper cover combination part. The down arrow mark on the cover aligns accurately with the dot mark on the juicing bowl. Rotate the cover clockwise until the lock mark aligns with the dot mark. Now, place the juice cup and the pulp cup in the appropriate positions, ready to receive the juice and pulp. Connect the machine to power supply and a beep sound will be heard. Large food ingredients, diameter less than 83 mm, can be directly placed into the wide feed chute. When the switch is in the 0 position, it indicates that the machine is turned off. Let's turn on the switch and move it to the on position. If the food gets stuck, press rev for a few seconds, and the machine will run in reverse. After getting the food out, move the switch to the on position, and the machine will continue to work.